We're going to be taking a look at why you might want to do the engineering pathway today on. All right, so you might be thinking about what pathway you should take in high school. So why should you take the engineering path? Why? What is it? What's in it for you? Well, I could talk about the careers and the money you might make, and we're going to do that in a second. But if you're interested in critical thinking, designing things, building things, coming up with things that other people use and make use of, engineering is the thing for you. Now, let's take a quick look here at just what can you expect. If you did see this engineering through all the way, what could you be expected to earn in terms of money? Because, everybody's got to get paid at some point, right? So here's a breakdown of some salaries. Got that from Indeed.com. And basically what it comes down to, the average starting salary for someone with an engineering degree is $57,000 a year. And the average salary for a mechanical engineer is, for example, is $78,000 a year. Average, we got lower and you got higher. That means after you put in some time, you're definitely looking at a six-figure job. So, but it's not all just about the money. What can you expect from this class is because these jobs, you got to go to college for these jobs, right? But what we're going to do in this pathway is we're going to try making it so you can be as successful as possible in that. And what are we going to be doing? Well, we're going to be emphasizing teamwork, design process, critical thinking skills. And we're going to also be using different tools and such to actually create the designs that we're making. Included with that is software known as Fusion 360. Now, Fusion 360 is a very powerful professional 3D modeling software program that we have access to at Venus High School. And you will be, we are setting things up so you will be able to graduate with certifications in Fusion 360. And these certifications, couldn't they help you find you a job? Well, possibly, maybe on a very small scale, but they're going to help you be successful in college with using those kinds of softwares. It's going to give you a leg up, and you're not going to be lost. You're going to have a solid footing for what you should be and can be able to do with engineering in that case. So we had a lot of talk about those things. What are some kinds of engineering? There are all sorts. Mechanical, building machines, right? Mechanical engineer might design a car. Civil engineer, bridges, buildings, things of that nature. Electrical engineer, interested in designing the next high-powered computer? Well, electrical engineer or computer engineer might be on the track for you. So in high school, not only are you going to be able to build and design these things and get your grounding in that, there are TSA competitions that rely heavily on engineering, and you can definitely compete in that. We are looking at some and other competitions in the future. So this program is building, it is starting. You've seen some pictures of our workshop right here in this video, and we'd love to have you take a look at it. The first course is going to be very much of like an overview of different kinds of engineering, so you can get a taste to see if this is something that you think you might want to pursue further. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask your teacher or reach out to the high school, and hopefully see you next year.